Lonnie Quinn now with the weekend forecast. Lonnie.
Wait, but wasn't there like for a while there was something about a turducken? Did you ever hear about this? It was a turkey they stuffed with a duck, and they stuffed the duck with a chicken, right? Is anybody?
I guess I'm following, yeah.
So, I mean, I guess it has been done before, but quite a reaction there by the gal. Let me get you guys outside, show you what our skies are doing here. And they're nice and clear, but it is just so cold outside. I mean, the temperature right now comes in below freezing. You're 30 degrees. It is clear. It is cold. Your winds are the west, northwest at around 6 miles per hour. My headlines are looking like this. There will be no warm-up tonight. I mean, it's cold out there and getting colder, but there will be a meager, very slight little warm-up tomorrow, maybe a couple of degrees. That's about it. But then the mild air will arrive on Sunday. It's going to stick around for Monday as well, but there could be a few weather issues there. Let's talk about that cold air that's in place. 30 degrees in the city. We're going to match that in the Hamptons as well. Coldest spot I can find would be Sparta at 15, Monticello at 16. Everybody else, in the 20s. But look, we're all below the freezing point right now. And when you throw in those 5, maybe 10-degree winds, I mean, you've got some wind chills out there in the single digits in Monticello, where it feels like 7 degrees, feels like 24 in the city and out at the Hamptons as well. Everybody else, colder than that. Vortex satellite and radar, it's clear. It's clear all throughout the area. Let me show you the source of the clear air, because it kind of comes in, it comes with two different things. The high pressure that's over the, I'll say West Virginia and Virginia, that area right there, is bringing in clockwise circulation. That's what high pressure systems do. But it also supplies sinking air, which gives you the sunshine. Just know that. High pressure equals nice air. But the winds are constantly coming in from the northwest, so you've been so cold out there today. Tomorrow, this high will set itself up in the ocean. All right, it's not going to make a huge trek out of here, but it's at least offshore. And now what it's going to do, that same clockwise rotation around the high, now it's bringing in a little bit, very light flow of like a southerly air mass. Not a lot, okay? It's going to be very weak, so I'm only talking maybe 2-3 degrees warmer. You want to tap into a real warm-up, like a good double-digit jump, you've got to get a bona fide southwest wind. And I don't see anything like that close to us right now, but it will set up by the time you get to Sunday, because this the area of disturbed weather off of the west coast, the Pacific Northwest, that little area there will have a little burst of southwest air ahead of it. So we will catch that milder air on Sunday, means we could see some wet weather by the time you get to Monday. Here's how we see it on the computers. Now, again, you want to watch this flow coming from the Pacific Northwest. It'll travel up towards the Canadian border, and then little spokes, little bouts of energy will sort of come through our area. So I see no problems for your day on Saturday. Sunday, we're looking good out there. Monday, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. You could start to see some of that moisture make its way through here. It would be later in the day Monday, but you're going to be mild on Sunday and on Monday. I mean, above 50 degrees both days, but you'll see more clouds and that rain chance for Monday. So overnight tonight, it is a cold one out there, about 27 degrees, and those winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Going to give you a wind chill about 24 in New York City. Tomorrow, well, more clouds. It's a little bit warmer at around 40 degrees. I mean, today you were 38, so if you want warmer air, we're at least moving in the right direction. We'll go 40 degrees tomorrow. Sunday, 13-degree jump will take you up to about 53 degrees. Monday, 55, the double nickel. We are putting a bit of a rain chance there for Monday. Then Tuesday, we take you back down to 40. Wednesday, we're back up to 50. So you see what I'm talking about when I say the up and down around here.
I think I'm going to have to write it on my hand just to remind myself there's this big, Or you can maybe just text me every day, just remind me what it's going to be.
You know what, we'll get you tattoos.